Hello, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel at first and share the videos. Thank you. I read on CoinDesk following sentence. Bittrex announced Friday it will be delisting Monero, Zcash, and Dash, continuing a trend of so-called previously coins being delisted by cryptocurrency exchanges. The question is here why they make this on the top of Bitcoin. Yeah? We reach here 29,000, and why so kind of news came on this time at the level of the Bitcoin price. Yeah, we hit here the all-time high, and suddenly came um, some how can I say news about delisting from Monero, Zcash, ZEC, XRP. Why? Why this is coming on the top of Bitcoin? And for me, is the question is the next delisting Bitcoin? Yeah. What you're thinking? You can write this in the comment field. I think maybe we will see here. I don't know, but if I hear XCP is delisting, Monero is delisting, SEC is delisting, Dash is delisting, and who's the next? Will they also Bitcoin delisting? Yeah. Only the rumors is enough to send the Bitcoin price to the low side. Yeah, I think such in this direction maybe it's possible. Let's look to the Monero chart. You see what effect these have. The price is going from 170 to going to 130. But if I look to this chart, this is for me negative, because if you look to this, we hit here this resistance line. Yeah, we have here also support in this area. So I think we have enough place to go more lower prices. Yeah, because if you look to this here, we have here this um, area where we can stay here. And if you look to this here, you see we have a negative trend. The trend line is broken, and now maybe we retest this trend line again. Yeah? But I think let's look more in um, near term. You can see we broke this trend line. Maybe we retest this trend line again. Yeah, but the trend is clear. We going to the loss side. Yeah, let's look here. I have to look more in detail. You can see here we have the left shoulder head and the right shoulder. You see this chart is very negative. Yeah, we have this trend, and you see we have this trend, and you see we will fall again. I think something like that will happen here, and we will going in direction of $100. And the next point is to stay is look this resistance line what we draw in this chart. Yeah, and you see we will stay at 105 in this direction. We will stay here, but I don't think that we stay here long. I think we will retest some areas here in this area, and then we will continue the fall. Do you see this? And I think we will reach here this area, left shoulder head and the right shoulder. And I don't know why they make such news. Yeah, um, why they making something like that. But from technical chart of view, we have a resistance line in this or a support line in this area, so we can stay at this area. But after that, I'm positive for Monero. We have a left shoulder head and the right shoulder building here, so that we have enough power to go to the top side. But short term is negative. Yeah, very sad about this news. I don't like such news because why they make this news at the top of Bitcoin? Yeah, maybe it's the next rumors or next information that Bitcoin will delist. Is Bitcoin the next delist candidate? Yeah, because why the price? How can I say? I have a price target for Bitcoin in these levels. I think that Bitcoin will go in direction of 11,000. So you're thinking why a price going, a price should go from 29,000 to 10,000. You thinking more for the future. I think they will. I don't know, but rumors about the delisting from Bitcoin came to the CoinDesk or other cryptocurrency exchanges, and then the price will drop. I think it's one opportunity. Yeah, it could be because from technical point of view, I think we will go in these areas 11,000, 12,000, 10,000, and let's look what happened. The next candidate is here ZEC. They say this here ZEC, and for if I look to the chart for ZEC, I don't see negative signs, but you see also we have here the triangle, and I think we have to decide if we go to the top side or go to the downside. Yeah, downside. But if you look to this here, you see we have reached this trend line or rested line one time, two time, and we have here enough space to go to the downside. Yeah, in direction of 23. But the news are here existent. Yeah, and I'm wondering why the price is not drop, because you see from for Monero we have this drop, yeah, and I see more drops in the future. I'm wondering why the price is not drop at Zcash. Maybe it could be that we make some moves here in this direction and then go to the downside, because you see from this spike here, you see this from this spike something negative will happen, because um, the trend is going to the downside. We have this channel here. Yeah, you see the channel here, and the next price target is in this area. But maybe we will go one time to the top side, yeah, and then fall. It can also possible you see Zcash is on this in this channel, yeah. So he has no opportunity to go higher. Yeah, he make something like drops here, one time, two time, three time, and it could be possible that we go in this area. Yeah, but we have to wait. Let's look more in detail what happened here. And you see from this here, we have here the spike to the downside, and you see danger. Yeah, and the next danger, I think, something like that will come. I think. Let's see to the next candidate, Dash. Here they say here Dash. Let's look to Dash. We have also this here, and we have also this. So here's also will something will happen, because we have not break this triangle, So you can see we have enough space to the downside. And let's look, maybe 60, 57 dollar, but we have no huge falling. Yeah, from $90 to $60, $30 could be. Yeah, let's see more in detail what happened here. You see also here. Let's look. Let's look. Let's look. Yeah, we have also here negative signs. Let's look. Yeah, this you see. I think something like that will happen. You have a negative trend here. Also negative. I think difficult to say, but I think we will reach here this area, yeah, and make some moves to the downside. And you see here clearly that we break these trend lines here, or resistance, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time. And this will happen that we break here through this. Yeah, maybe the we will not see even this high prices, I think. Because we reached this here 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time. I think we will see one opportunity. We test this area and then fall, or we test nothing and go directly to the downside. Yeah, but the next target, let's see. I can say to you this. I think let's look. Next target is 50 for 45 dollar. 54. Yeah, $54. And let's look what happened here. I think if something like that happened, then I think we will go to this side here, and after that I think we will break to the downside. Yeah, because we have here these formations and we have the negative signs here. I don't like this here. This is very negative. And let's look what happened. I think for the first we will reach the $50 area. Then we will get here sideways, yeah, and the price will drop. Similar, this price dropping is similar to Bitcoin. I can show you this here. Here, similar like this. Do you see this? This here. I make it for you here. This is the dash chart. We go going here, going sideways and drop, and you see we coming here, going sideways and drop. Yeah, suddenly it drops, and this is also will happen that we go maybe in direction of 20 cent, $20, something like that. Yeah. So let's look to Bitcoin chart. We have this Bitcoin chart. You see, I expected also at the Bitcoin price a fall off in direction of 12,000, 11,000. So what news will bring Bitcoin down? Do you think that the news about the delisting from Bitcoin sent Bitcoin to 10,000? Maybe it's possible because we expected here a fall of the price in the direction of 11,000. So which news will bring Bitcoin to 10,000? Many of the people don't know or don't not believe that Bitcoin will fall, but um, you see here clearly from the sideways movement that we make some move to the downside. Yeah, you see this clearly from this chart. Left shoulder head and the right shoulder, and normally the right shoulder is very strong. Yeah, so you can see I zoom in and you see maybe we'll make some movement in direction of 31,000 or 32,000. Yeah, maybe the last movement could be possible, but from the how can I say, from the trend line and from the patterns here, you can see we are on the trend line, but going one time, two time, three time, and the third time we will break through this trend line. And once we break through the trend line, then we expected here 22,000. Yeah. Which news, I ask you, which news will send Bitcoin to the downside? Is this the delisting of Bitcoin? Please write me in the comment field. What news will send Bitcoin to the downside? I think some rumors will come to the newspaper delist of Bitcoin, and this make a, a sell of Bitcoin and so on. The price will drop to the 10,000 or 11,000. The shock moment, yeah. And I don't know who's the winner here. Maybe the walls. If I don't know. Yeah. Let's look what happened here. So let's look more in detail for Bitcoin. The price chart is open, so we can make here a look. You see also the negative trends to the downside, and let's look what happened. We have a huge place here to go to the downside. Let's look more. Yeah, the drop uh, will big, because you see here this trend channel here, one time, two time, and if we get something like that, the price will drop. The next station is here 23,000. These are $7,000 to drop. Yeah, and imagine if we go to 33,000, something like that, or 33,000, yeah, 31, 33, then you can imagine what happened here if Bitcoin drops from 32,000 to 23,000. Yeah, but that will happen because you see here clearly left shoulder head and right shoulder, we will drop here to this level, because from a technical view of point, um, it makes sense that we make some moves to the downside. Let's look to the Fibonacci retracement, and if we fall from this here, you see we fall from, this is also huge, yeah, from 1 to 0. It makes sense, yeah. But it will very huge, yeah, if we fall here 100% from this level, yeah, 100% back, yeah, retracement. So have a nice day. Let's look what happened, and please subscribe my channel and share the videos. Thank you.